How does an HVAC system work? HVAC systems can either run up the energy bill or help improve efficiencies. It's all in the HVAC design and installation that will determine whether your system is friend or foe. Understanding how your commercial HVAC system works is critical to deciding if it's time to update and replace the system. Commercial establishments that improve energy efficiencies by as little as 5% can boost revenue exponentially. So let's crawl into your HVAC system and see how it works. Your system design is based on the floor plan layout, allowing for ductwork and ventilation to hit every area. Duct registers and airflow vents are strategically placed in each room for optimal airflow. Air is pulled from the outside environment and is filtered through the ERV/HRVs, which essentially disinfects and cleans the air. The air blows through evaporator coils, which removes humidity and cools the temperature. The blower and wheel propel the air through the HVAC. Energy-saving HVAC systems and HVAC units. While understanding how your commercial HVAC unit works may help you decide whether to revise and update it, determining which energy-saving HVAC unit is right for you is also critical. Property administrators should understand the important factors that contribute to a quality HVAC unit. The system or unit must be properly sized and designed to accommodate your specific building. Systems have sealed supply ductwork for efficient and proper energy flow, balanced airflow between supply and return system, filled with proper refrigerant, plus an efficiently working burner operation and draft. HVAC contractors and maintenance plans. How can you determine which HVAC contractor to hire when you have a specific maintenance plan and specially designed system? While many HVAC contractors say they specialize in commercial HVAC, most don't understand the complexities and specifics required on a larger, commercial scale. When it comes to your system HVAC, trust only the leading commercial HVAC contractor. Hill York is the only MSCA Green Star certified mechanical contractor recognized by USB in Florida. Provides commercial HVAC systems. We offers full-service air conditioning and energy solutions, including energy management, design/build, facility management. For more, visit http://www.hillyork.com. Article source: https://ezinarticles.com/expert/Sophie_K/750836